Welcome. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to set up and take down the Sibley 700 quad door tent. This model is the Sibley 700 Pro Tech quad door. Let's get started. The Sibley 700 quad door comes in 3 carry bags, one for the ground sheet, one for the canvas, and one for the center pole, 4 A-frames, door panels, pegs, and guy lines. Unroll the ground sheet. The straight edge indicates where the door is located. Secure the ground sheet using the small pegs. Start at the door and work your way around. Pull the ground sheet nice and tight. Time to zip the canvas to the ground sheet. Position the door in the right place, then begin zipping from there. Continue all the way around until everything is fully attached. Attach the clips to raise the edge of the ground sheet or leave them undone for a flat entrance, handy for sweeping or wheelchair access. Unzip the tent door. Unfold the center pole and make sure the eyelet is at the top. Bring the center pole inside the tent. Position the top against the ceiling, then place the base centered on the ground sheet. Assemble the A-frame at the door. Angle it into the tent, remove the rain cap, and insert the pin through the canvas. Place the bottom ends of the frame into the ground sheet sockets and tie them securely. Repeat this step 3 more times. At each door, lightly tension the guy line to help keep the A-frame upright. Always place the rain cap back on top of the frame. Zip the tent fully closed. This keeps everything balanced while tensioning. Now attach the remaining guy lines one by one all around the tent. Align each line with a seam and use at least 2/3 of the length for proper tension. Use the sliders to adjust tension evenly. This ensures rainwater runs off properly. The tent is fully set up. The tent features 4 large doors with integrated mosquito mesh. And full 360-degree mesh ventilation around the entire tent. Time to pack up. Loosen all guy lines around the tent. Remove the rain caps from each A-frame. Untie the straps, push the A-frame upward, and remove it from the ground sheet sockets. Repeat for all 4 A-frames. Grab the center pole at the bottom and slowly walk it out of the tent. Remove the pegs from the ground sheet. Fold the tent in half with the seam aligned to the door, then fold it in half twice more. Tip: Use the carry bag as a guide for the correct width. Roll the tent tightly toward the bag and pack everything back into the carry bag. Your Sibley 700 quad door is neatly packed and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!